Yeah, so he's right. So what is, see, you have to talk technically. You just try to improve how to talk technically. It is not certificate. Once it attains its strength. Okay, once it attains its strength. So form is, what is it? It gives a shape for the structure and it has to be designed such a way that it has to retain the strength. Till the structure attains the strength, it has to hold it. Okay? Then it has to be removed. So what he says is right. Okay? Right. So what is it? The formwork is nothing but a die. Okay, die. So the die which is required to cast an elephant and it has to weigh the strength. Still it has to be, till the strength attains, it has to be there. So this is why the formwork is required. Okay. Next is, you would have seen different elements in a building. You would have seen a slab, you would have seen a column, you would have seen a beam, you would have seen a foundation, you would have seen walls or different core walls, different type of buildings like shear wall buildings, high-rise buildings. See, if you see in that way, so each structural component is having a different form of system to execute it. Okay, so I'll just explain you why the importance of formwork, the system formwork came into existence. Existence for us to